crochet it in 4 minutes and make 10 times the profit. Hi guys, welcome back to the Real Studio YouTube channel. Today's tutorial is a moon and a star hair clip and you can crochet it in just 5 minutes. Materials you'll need: yellow, blue and pink yarn, metal connectors, scissors, glitter, a crochet hook and hair clip. To start, chain 13. In the second chain, make a slip stitch, 1 single crochet, 1 half double crochet, then make 6 increases with double crochet. After that, make 1 half double crochet, 1 single crochet and 1 slip stitch. In the first chain on the other side, make another slip stitch, then chain 1 and cut the yarn. To make moon look more natural, add some shading to it using powder color. Add details to your moon. Using DM5 glue and a bit of glitter or silver leaves, the glue became invisible after it dries. For the stars, make a magic ring, then inside the ring crochet 1 single crochet, 1 treble crochet, 1 chain and 1 slip stitch. Repeat this 5 times. Now, just like before, decorate the stars with glitter and DM5 glue. Now, according to your own taste, connect the pieces with the metal connectors and then, just like I showed you in the keychain video, attach the stars to the moon. Now, use the hot glue to attach the hair clip to the moon. And ta-da! Your hair clip is ready! Don't forget to like and subscribe Real Studio! And if you love easy tutorials, make sure to check out the beginners playlist!